So, hi everybody, all the ladies out there. I'm Simone. I'm just taking this time out of my time to tell you about the products that I've been taking. All right, so I've been taking the Jajara products for the past month. Yes, so these are my products. So I have the Fertivite, right? So this is Fertivite, and I have my Immune Builder and the Powerhouse. That's my Fibrox. Alright, so these three products I've been taking for the past month. Um, First of all, let me just give you a brief history about my experience in having imbalanced hormones. Um, so I've been having cycles, some crazy cycles, and I've gone to many places. I've gotten referrals to doctors and specialists, and I've done some stuff that costs a lot of money, just to try to get my hormone imbalance so that I can get pregnant. And all these hormone imbalance is really not a good recipe for getting pregnant. All right, so I was at a stage of frustration, and I was in Maypen one day, and I said, you know what? I don't want anybody to tell me about anybody that they know that has helped somebody else. I am just gonna go online and I'm just gonna get somebody totally new, a total stranger. Right? So I said typed in herbal products and Jajara came up. And I said, but wait, I'm in the area, you know? So I called and I spoke to this young man. I don't even remember his name. He told me about the products and all, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna try these products. First of all, they taste real good. The Fibrox and the Fertivite is a little peppery, but I'm used to cayenne, so it's no big deal. Alright, so the first 2 weeks of taking the products, I said I've had cycles 34 days, 36 days, 31 days, 29 days, 25 days. Cycle is all over the place. No good. I have had days for my menses, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, 16 days. Nothing to be happy about. Alright, so after taking the products for 2 weeks, the first day of my period, or my monthly, I should say, the first day of my monthly, I realized that I had this heavy pain. And I was saying to myself, I wonder if it's the same thing gonna happen like when I usually have my menses monthly pain, day 1, day 2, day 3, and the back pain and everything. I said, you know what, let me watch it, give the product a chance to work. First day pain, second day nil, third day, fourth day, fifth day no pain. When the 6th day, I saw nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. It never lasted more than the 5 days. I'm like, so I said, you know what? Let me see what my second monthly gonna be like, guys. My monthly came on time. My monthly lasted for the days that it usually lasted for, between 5 to 7 days. This thing is actually balancing my hormone. I feel so excited in myself. I said, no, I need to call this gentleman and I need to tell him my experience. I don't worry about the monthly pain anymore. When I see my menses, I don't worry about it coming for on a 34-day cycle or a 36-day cycle. I don't know where their cycles, I originated those cycles. And I don't have to worry about it lasting for up to 16 days. I feel comfortable taking these products, and I would recommend them to anybody who has an hormone imbalance. And of course, I'm looking forward to the day when I can press when I can press record again and say, you know what, this is my testimony. I'm pregnant. Alright, so until that day, it's been a month now since I'm taking the products, and I plan to take them until I'm pregnant. Thank you so much for your products. You're doing a good job. Continue to do the good work and help a lot of women around Jamaica and across the Caribbean, around the world for that matter, for getting a balanced hormone, getting them back on track. And of course, the immune builder, it helps you, you know, to absorb the nutrients from the products that you're taking and just keep you in perfect health. Thank you guys so very much. You're doing a good job.